Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fire TV Expert. In today's video, I'll show you how to install iStreamFlare on your FireStick using a fast and working downloader code with the new FireStick interface. If you're looking for a clean and simple app with an easy-to-use interface and smooth navigation, then iStreamFlare is definitely one you'll want to check out. I'll take you through the complete installation process from start to finish, including how to find downloader, enable the required permission, enter the iStreamFlare code, and install the app properly on your FireStick. Plus, I'll also cover some of its useful features and explain why I won't be opening the app fully due to YouTube policy guidelines. So, let's jump in and get started. From your FireStick home screen, move to the top, then move right and select Search. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your remote supports voice commands, you can simply say downloader and the app will appear. Once downloader shows up in the search results, move to the right and select it. Now, click on the orange downloader icon and press the download button using the center button on your remote. Give it a few seconds to install. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. After downloader is installed, we need to allow it permission to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen, move to the left and select the bar, then scroll down and select Settings. Now scroll right and click on My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry. Click on About, then press your FireStick name 7 times until you see a message confirming that Developer Options are enabled. Press the back button, open Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a FireStick 4K Max or a newer Fire TV device, the layout may look slightly different. In that case, just make sure permission is enabled for the downloader app. Once that's done, your device is ready to install third-party apps safely. Now that everything is set up, let's open Downloader. Go back to the home screen. Scroll down and find the downloader and open it. When you launch it for the first time, allow the required permissions and click OK. Before we install iStreamFlare, let me quickly tell you why you might want to check out this app. iStreamFlare is designed with a clean and straightforward interface that makes it easy to move through the available sections. The layout is built for larger TV screens, so navigating with your FireStick remote is simple and comfortable. It also focuses on keeping the interface easy to understand, making it convenient to browse through the available options without unnecessary menus or complicated controls. Now we're ready for the installation. Click on the search bar by pressing the center button to bring up the keyboard. Now enter the iStreamFlare downloader code exactly as shown, 6862874. After entering the code, click Go. The iStreamFlare download page will now load on your FireStick. Once the page opens, the available download option will appear. Select the download option to begin downloading the iStreamFlare APK. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click Install. Give your FireStick a few moments while iStreamFlare installs completely. After installation is finished, click Done, then delete the APK file to free up storage space. Select Delete and confirm Delete again. Now before opening the app, I highly recommend using a VPN. Using a VPN helps protect your privacy, keeps your connection secure, and can help avoid region-related access issues. I personally recommend NordVPN. NordVPN allows you to change your virtual location, protects your streaming activity, and helps prevent tracking or throttling from your internet provider. To install NordVPN, go back to the search option, type NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open NordVPN, sign in, and connect to a secure server before using third-party apps. You'll find the NordVPN link in the video description. If you'd like to check it out, feel free to use the link below. Now, let's take a look at iStreamFlare. Go back to the home screen and scroll down to the bottom of the list. You'll find iStreamFlare there. Now, I won't be opening the app fully in this video due to YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes. However, I can give you an overview of its interface and features. iStreamFlare offers a clean and modern interface that's designed to be easy to navigate on a TV screen. The layout keeps the different sections organized, making it easier to browse through the available options and discover content. The simple design also means you can use the FireStick remote to move between sections without having to deal with complicated controls. The app is optimized for larger screens, and navigation works smoothly with the FireStick remote. And that's it. You've successfully installed iStreamFlare on your FireStick using the latest downloader code and the new FireStick interface. I hope this guide made the installation process easy to follow from beginning to end. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fire TV Expert, and turn on notifications so you never miss future FireStick tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.